Hi, my name is Intra. So for today, I'll be showing you a website called Wolfram Alpha. So Wolfram Alpha is actually a platform to find quick solutions to your questions like mathematics, sciences and technology, society and culture, and everyday life. As a foundation student who has just started, my course requires a lot of maths and sciences. And sometimes I just want a very simple, straightforward, and easy understanding on what I'm looking for, because in YouTube you'll find a lot of videos that differs and by different YouTubers, and it's hard to pick one that you'll easily understand. So going to websites like this is very helpful and not that time consuming. So under mathematics section, we'll be looking at the step-by-step solutions first. So here you are actually provided with many kinds of topics of maths, like differential equations, geometry, algebra, arithmetic, statistics, and calculus. So I'll be showing you a quick one on algebra. So what you'll be seeing is the search bar where you enter your algebraic equations. So let's say I'm typing in this equation. And what you'll get is the plots, the alternate forms, the name of the geometric figure, the roots, derivative, integral, and all that. So under the science section, we'll be looking at physics next. So for physics, of course, you'll get topics on physics like mechanics, oscillations and waves, thermodynamics, electricity and magnetism, nuclear physics, and quantum physics. And you can just pick one to find the answers on your questions. So for the next one, we'll be going to be looking at chemistry next. Similarly as maths and physics, you'll get chemistry topics like ions, chemical quantities, chemical solutions, chemical compounds, chemical elements, and all that. You just pick the ones you want and key in your questions. So Wolfram is actually a good website to use, and I hope everything works well for you guys. Thank you.